but I mix it up a little. And I make very good. You see, the vanilla and the chocolate, they are good by themselves. They can work alone. But fellow batchmates, let me be the spoon. Let me be the spoon that will mix us together up